Welcome to the PharmaSource podcast. In this episode, we speak to Timothy Compton, Chief Business Officer at Alcami. Alcami is a US-based CDMO operating across 5 different campuses. Alcami are increasing their biostorage capacity to keep up with the growth they're seeing in the biologic space. I hope you enjoy the episode.
I'm Tim Compton. I'm the Chief Business Officer at Alcami. Been with Alcami now about 2.5 years. Been in the life science industry for going on 26, 27 years.
Great. And what is it that Alcami does?
Well, Alcami, we are the right size CDMO to advance our customers' products all the way from preclinical through commercial. We do this really with providing a personalized touch, a one-on-one experience with our customers across multiple segments. Those segments are analytical lab services, drug product manufacturing, whether that's oral solid dose or sterile fill finish, and then with our biostorage services being the third. We operate from 5 campuses across the United States. We're up in New England, about an hour outside of Boston, primarily where our biostorage facilities are located. And then we have a campus in RTP, North Carolina, the Research Triangle Park. There we offer lab services and sterile fill finish manufacturing, as well as some of our pharma support services. And then Wilmington, North Carolina campus, we offer analytical laboratory services, oral solid dose manufacturing, and packaging and labeling services, which are co-located with our oral solid dose manufacturing facility in Wilmington. And then we have a second parenteral manufacturing facility down in Charleston, South Carolina. And last but not least, we have a lab services campus in St. Louis.
And so are most of your customers US-based as well?
That's right. About 90% of our customers are US-based. However, we do have a growing number of customers in Europe, and that's really the premise of us being at CPHI in Barcelona, is to engage with our European customers and potential prospect customers in Europe.
What are the ideal customers to do business with you? What's the split between oral solid dosage and biologics, for example? How does it tend to break down?
Yeah, well, certainly biologics is a growing area for us at Alcami. It's one that we've been in for a number of years, I would say 15 plus, if not 20 years on the analytical side, supporting biologic products. With the growing capabilities on our sterile fill finish, we're seeing about a 50-50 split between, say, traditional small molecule and biologics products that we're bringing in-house for new molecules to either test and or manufacture in our sterile manufacturing facilities.
You mentioned CPHI. That's obviously coming up fast. What are the products and services that you're looking forward to talking to people about?
Well, for us, again, it's about talking about our biologics segment, which are multiple fold, right? So we support biologics not just in our sterile manufacturing, but we have a growing capacities in our biologics on the analytical side. And so we've recently doubled that capacity and supporting it from both our Wilmington campus and our RTP North Carolina campus for biologics, where we provide everything from, say, bioassay development and testing to characterization of the large molecules, as well as release testing of either bulk drug substance or drug product. The second area of focus for us in the biologics is on the sterile manufacturing. So we've significantly increased our capacities around sterile fill finish manufacturing, where traditionally, say 2.5 years ago, we had 1 sterile fill finish line in Charleston, South Carolina. Today, we have 6 sterile fill finish lines. All of 5 new lines are isolator technologies, so they're really well built for biologics. We have a single-use product contact, low line loss. We offer flexibility and scale, everything from, say, a 1-liter to 1,000-liter batch sizes. Liquid and lyo vials, pre-filled syringes. It is a growing area for us, the sterile fill finish, and we have capacity for our customers, and we're really looking at promoting that at CPHI in Barcelona. But then the third vertical, I would say, for the biologics that we're promoting is our biostorage. And so traditionally, we've offered that from our New England campus, which is, again, about an hour outside of Boston. But we just opening up a new 65,000 square foot biostorage facility in North Carolina.
Great.
And so
Great.
there we'll be offering the same breadth of services that we offer in New England, everything from LN2 storage to ambient pallet storage and aliquoting alike in support of testing of those materials that we would have in storage for our customers.
So you must be clearly anticipating significant growth in that area.
Absolutely. Yeah. Significant growth in the biostorage, sterile fill finish, and the analytical. And for us, it's about maintaining capacities and scalability for our customers. We certainly don't want to run out of scale or run out of capacity in support of the growth of our business, but more importantly, the growth of our customers' programs.
Thinking about the industry trends, which are front of mind for you when you think about 2024, what would you say some of the more important things to be aware of?
Yeah, so my background a little bit, before I joined Alcami, I was at Avid Bioservices, bulk drug substance manufacturer. And what I saw in the bulk drug substance space is there's a tremendous amount of capacity coming online for bulk drug substance manufacturing. But where there's an unmet need is all the downstream activities that associated with building that capacity, right? It's the analytical support for the characterization or release of those bulk drug substances. And then it's the sterile fill finish, drug product manufacturing of those products that are coming out of those facilities. And then last but not least is, the storage of materials to support the manufacturing of BDS, but also the manufacturing of the drug product and drug product itself storage. So we feel there's a tremendous unmet need there in the industry, and one that we feel that Alcami can help fill that unmet need with the customers. And so that's why we're growing in those three segments I mentioned earlier. But the way we're doing that is not just by adding capacity and capabilities, right? It's about working with our customers and providing that personalized touch or approach to our customers. We're not the one-stop, everything fits all organization. So everything we do for our customers is a customized approach to their needs, and knowing that those needs may pivot, and so you need to be flexible in the space. And we're always pivoting to support our customer needs and what's required for their programs to be successful.
Any final word of advice for listeners?
Yeah, I would encourage listeners to come check us out either at the CPHI. We're in Hall 3 in Barcelona, or you can always come to our website at alcaminow.com, where we list all of our services there, and you can learn a little bit more about Alcami and actually reach out and contact us.
Perfect. Tim, thank you so much for your time. Look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you, Luke.
Finally, we're excited to tell you about PartnerMatch, which is a brand new service from us at PharmaSource. PartnerMatch is a new online meeting platform designed to be the most targeted, efficient, and sustainable way to connect with pre-approved partners in key areas such as APIs, packaging, supply chain, contract manufacturing, and CROs. We believe that by creating better, faster matches, PartnerMatch can directly contribute to accelerating the rollout of groundbreaking therapies. Get involved by heading to pharmasource.global/partnermatch. Thank you for listening.